I'm Jake, aka HamStuff, and welcome to episode 4 of Jake Plays NMS Survival Series 8, where I've just seen a drop pod. Now, I'm not going to tell you what happens in the last episode, because I don't remember much of it. This episode, I remembered an old trick that saves you from death. I learned it in permadeath. Okay. And I've just used that trick a few minutes ago to save myself from death. Because this planet has extreme storms with a lot of winds that hurl you into the ground and kill you, and there's nothing you can do about it. And then antimatter housing. Great, I can now upgrade my exosuit. I can stabilise my toxic protection. And can I get ammonia from here? Yeah, I can, but not much. Still need more. Where'd that hazardous plant go? Always the way they leap out at you when you least expect it. Maybe I just got unlucky with... Unlucky? Yeah, that's a word. Unlucky with the toxic protection and whatnot. Oh no. So manipulator. I'm not falling foul to the same winds that I did last time. I enjoy watching Twister, starring Bill Paxton, but I don't want the interactive experience. Wow, that's a lot of silicate powder.
Technology recharge.
How do I make bloody antimatter? Chromatic metal. Okay. So does this storm just go on forever? I mean, last series it warned me, extreme wind. They didn't give me much time to react. Now, it doesn't tell me at all. It just blows me about when they warn it. Warn me about, extreme toxic storm or extreme night toxicity or something or other. I can't believe I haven't come across one cave system.
Extreme toxicity detected.
It's not even a storm anymore. It didn't even tell me it ended. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, not another one. What am I meant to do about just being blown around to my death constantly?
Technology prepared.
Okay, so I can recharge it with ammonia.
Recharge.
This one just isn't survivable in a storm.
Recharge.
Anything in space I can do?
Extreme toxicity detected.
We'll sit down in a different part of the planet. I need silver for something. I forget what. Is it the shield lattice? No. Is it that? No. That gave me a lot of uranium. Gold. That's just the one for silver. Uranium, gold. Ah, just worthless gold. Might as well get a full stack of each.
No free slots in suit inventory. No free slots in suit inventory. Technology recharge.
Silver, I believe, is right over there. But inventory is full. I'll get rid of carbon. Do you know when you discovered this?
Units received.
Extreme night toxicity. I wonder if that happens in real life. Like parts of Earth get more toxic at night.
No free slots in suit inventory.
I mean, you say no free slots, but it's going somewhere.
No free slots in suit inventory.
Maybe it's because it's trying to pick up silicate powder as well.
Suit inventory. No free slots in 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 suit inventory.
I've got very little silver from that. How does my inventory get so full?
No free slots in suit inventory. No free slots in suit inventory. Component repaired. Technology repaired.
Great. Now get rid of the silver.
Units received.
Find out what that unknown building is. Why, there looks like there's a sentinel right next to it.
Life support power low.
Ooh, that's... I've already discovered that apparently.
Units received. Neurotoxins
How?
detected.
Journey milestone accomplished. 5 souls on extreme worlds. Oh, inventory full. Picking more up though.
In suit inventory.
Okay, now it's full. Oh, it's one of these places. Some sort of sentinel depot. Yay, health restored. I mean, a lot of that's probably quite valuable, but, you know. This is a building? One of these. Viking wood for here. Viking wood for sentinel. Viking wood for victory. Learn Tinkula of the Dianculogubov, you wow Tinkula of the Aslanum. There are 3 vast columns of words on the ancient structure, each written in a different alphabet. The first column's words are like savage runes scratched in sand, the second shows precise sequences of dots. The final column has wide and welcoming letters, almost appearing handwritten in stone. Let's go with the runes. Oh, dots instead. Ancient spirits that dwell here infuse you with the language of a distant race of electronic lifeforms. Covert word for help, Covert word for unknown, Atlas word for atlas. Wonder what would happen if I could have chosen the other thing. Activated copper deposit. What is the activated copper? How exactly do you activate copper? So I'm not taking chances up there. I'm going underground. It appears I can't go much further than here. As if I can't English today. As if I've not had enough of tunnelling underground. When I get 250 U away, I'm going to try and do a runner across the surface to get it. Subterranean relics. I like vortex cubes because they're worth money. but I haven't room for them. You know, I was going to do it at T50.
Technology recharge. Weather update.
Oh,
Storm clearing.
as soon as I decided to try it, the storm's over. So let's say storm or storm. Honestly, I'm knackered.
Toxicity detected. Units received.
So what is activated copper?
Technology recharge.
So that activated charcoal where you do something to it, like you heat it up without burning it and it gets a load of holes, increases surface area. There's new slots into it inventory. Means I can make chromatic metal from it.
Extreme toxicity detected.
Yep, extreme toxicity. Just like every discussion on Twitter.
Technology recharge.
Vessel refiner. Oh, I'm so bloody tired, I can hardly think or do nothing.
Product constructed.
And this ferric dust.
Free slots in suit inventory. Free slots in suit inventory.
Oh, it's made of carbon.
In suit inventory. Free slots.
Yeah, no free slots. I think, do I even need sodium nitrate? I use it for my hazard protection, but if my hazard protection runs out, it'll be because of something this covers, which is all powered by ion batteries, or a specific something. Okay, I've got to get rid of something then. We're at 15,000, that's not very valuable. I don't need it for the long.
Product constructed. Product constructed.
And now I can do with some ferrite dust. To make a metal plating. So I can have starship launch fuel. But I can also use uranium for that, which I've just gotten rid of. Where is my ship? Five minutes, okay.
Technology recharge.
I've got a portable refiner. How do I put it down? Ah, R2.
Technology recharge.
The portable refiner always gives me carbon, even when I use condensed carbon to power it.
Weather warning.
Oh no.
Storm.
You know what, I think I've outstayed my welcome on this planet.
Technology recharge. Product constructed.
Got no room in my ship inventory either. Right.
Product constructed. Product constructed. Product constructed. Product constructed.
Okay, so those things are real when you crash your ship into them. That's like the only time that they're real. Oh, this is hurting my back.
Extreme toxicity detected.
I noticed. What is that? Well, I guess we'll never know. Space station. Was that the frontier, whatever it is? We're going on now. I have to fight a bunch of sensors. Oh, for God's sake. What? Trade frequency. Seven cargo manifest. If I sell gold.
Received.
The only thing I have to sell. Wow. Do you have any wiring looms? No. So my entire exosuit inventory, only one of these things, right, Starship, that can use my warp cell,
Technology recharge.
and no, it's not even fully charged. So I need another. I have a serious problem with inventory management. What's probably about as interesting is, well, I don't really need the space station anymore. Actually, yes, I do wiring looms. Possibly solar mirrors.
Hostile scan detected.
Okay, what's your problem with me? What? Submit or perish, interloper. There is no alternative for one as weak as you. Refuse. Die with glory if you can, but I think it's unlikely. Grah. Come at me, bro, he said in Viking. Die with glory if you can, but I think it unlikely.
Ships defeated.
I've got something. Suspicious packet good. Nip belts. Guess I'll sell those. And I missed the entrance. A freighter. We'll go check out the freighter, I guess. Sell. Oh. Hit buds.
Received.
And buy wiring looms. What do I need wiring looms for? Aha! Okay. So a solar mirror. This is where I needed the wiring looms.
Technology recharge.
Anywhere I can buy a solar mirror? I've got almost this exact ship in my normal mode. It doesn't have these at the back and it's green. And the wings are a little different on the end. Hello. Off to trade. Solar mirror.
Product received.
What was it that needed a solar mirror? This. Fourier delimiter. Wonderful. So we can blast off because I want to end the episode in the freighter like I said I would a couple of minutes ago. So it carries platinum. I'll try to resist the temptation to attack it, but no promises. Oh, for God's sake, I don't care.
Navigational data received.
Photo signal detected. Ask me if I care. Thanks for watching Jake Plays No Man's Sky. Check out the rest of the episodes, and I'll catch you later.